Hi everybody, I'm Andrea. I'm one of the physiotherapists here at Proactive, and my topic today is sex as an activity, specifically why someone might want to come see a physiotherapist for assistance in achieving their sexual activity goals. So physiotherapists are really good at breaking down a physical task into its component parts. So whether that's a sports skill or whether it's something that you would be needing to do at work, we look at the task and we see what are the specific parts. For sexual activity in particular, we know that you require range of motion or flexibility of the hips, of the low back, and also of the vaginal entrance. We know that you need a good amount of strength in your pelvic floor to help bring blood flow to the area and help with sexual appreciation. We also know that you need a fair amount of endurance. And we know that you don't need it to be painful. So when we look at those specific areas, there's a lot that physiotherapy can do to address those component parts. So I'll start with pain, because that's often a big barrier for people enjoying intercourse or enjoying sexual activity in general. So we assess the source of your pain, whether that is a scar or whether that is a pain condition or muscle tightness that you don't have good control over. Then we would treat that specific physical barrier either through manual therapy, through the use of dilators, through relaxation exercises, or even some manual stretching. In terms of strengthening, there's lots we can do to strengthen a weak pelvic floor. From exercise to electrical stimulation. We have a whole range of treatment techniques for strength. For flexibility, good old-fashioned stretching often does the trick. And then we can also use things like dilators for improving the flexibility in the area. And in terms of sensation, because some people can't complain that they can't feel as much during sexual activity, we can help with biofeedback exercises or even proprioceptive exercises so that someone can get a better feel of what their body is already doing. So those are some of the things that we do to help people with their sexual activity goals. We hope you'll feel comfortable coming to one of us to ask if there's anything that we can do to help you in your goals.